Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Vlogmas and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Gianna. I make lifestyle videos, fashion videos, styling videos, all those types of things. And I'm so glad you're here. And if you're not new, welcome back. I feel like I can't even see myself because I'm so far away from the camera, but welcome back. So in today's video, I'm just gonna take you guys through a little weekend day in my life. I'm leaving to go home tomorrow, back to the lovely but very restricted state of New York. So that's gonna be fun. But I'm going home for the holiday and I'm very excited. I got tested and I was negative, for anybody who's wondering. I actually just got my results this morning, so I'm negative and I'm good to go. But I'm leaving tomorrow, so I'm having a pretty jam-packed day today. I'm trying to go shoot right now, which if you haven't seen my video on how I shoot my own, I will have that linked above as well as down below. But I'm getting ready right now to go shoot. I have, I think, 5 looks that I want to shoot right now, so after I finish my hair, I'm going to try them all on and head out. But I curled my hair last night when me and Paul went out to dinner because we went out for like our Christmas dinner, and it did not hold in my sleeve, which is kind of annoying because my hair usually holds. Like, it holds all the time when I crimp it or if I curl it with like a different iron, but I've been using this one lately because I saw Brie. No, I don't know how to say her last name. I feel like I always butcher people's last names. But I saw her using this on her Instagram story and her hair came out like really volumized and big and just really nice. I mean, granted, she was using a different curler, but I was like, damn, I want to try and use my curler like that again. And my hair isn't nearly as long as hers, but it's a little curly, I'd say. I feel like now's the time to talk about my Instagram. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, I really appreciate it if you guys went and checked it out. And if you enjoy what you see, you gave it a follow, because I've been trying really hard on my Instagram lately, and Instagram has just been playing games with me. If you watched my last video, you heard my thoughts on Instagram and the blogger digital platform world. So yeah, but I just have been feeling really defeated lately and really unmotivated on that platform, and it's a shame because it's something that I truly enjoy doing, and I just feel like I'm going through like a lull period right now, a little like, just like a little, I don't know. If you guys haven't seen that video, it didn't really make much sense when I was filming it or editing it, but I felt like someone got my point across, I hope. Fun fact, when I was in college, I burned my neck right here, like really bad, with a wand, a curling wand. And it was bad. Oh my God, I was rushing actually to get to art history where I saw Paul Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I burned my neck because I was rushing so much, and to this day I blame it on him. But oh, that was a bad one, you guys. And I was going home the following weekend to be my brother's confirmation sponsor, and I had this disgusting, if I find photos, I'll post them, or I'll put them on the screen. But I had this disgusting scar on my neck, and like the only thing that got rid of it was this like prescription cream, which I still have to this day. It definitely doesn't work anymore, but I try and use it all the time on my arm scar that I got also from a curling iron. But I'm gonna finish this off and then I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed that little mini story time. Okay, my hair's done. It's huge and I'm so happy. I did like hairspray in it this time, so it'd really stay. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I feel like I need to do a little touch up on here on the back, but yeah, I'm happy with it. So I'm gonna touch that up and then probably put some dry shampoo on top and head out. Okay, it is a little while later. It's basically 1 p.m. now. I've been home for probably a half hour. I had lunch, which you guys saw, and now I'm gonna start cleaning because this apartment, oh my God, is so messy. I'm gonna show you guys, but first I'm gonna change out of my outfit. But I just want to talk about these jeans really quick because they're perfect, you guys. I talk about them all the time, but they are like my favorite pair of denim that I own. And these are them. So these are from Old Navy and I just love them. Every time I put them on, I'm like, wow, hold on, let me put this around my neck. I'm like, oh my gosh, I just love this denim so much. They are so like figure flattering. They hit me at the perfect length. Like they're not too short, but they're just the perfect amount of crop for me. And they're just like the best pair of jeans. The wash is perfect. Everything about them is perfect. So I just wanted to give a little moment of appreciation for these Old Navy jeans because I feel like nobody ever shops at Old Navy anymore. And yes, a lot of their stuff is overpriced, but these jeans are worth it. I promise you. I'm so embarrassed to even show this, but this is literally a visual of what I'm working with right now. Also, our washing machine is so broke. It like doesn't stay in the area. It's a little bit later. It's 2 o'clock now. I think last time I talked to you was like 1:15 or something like that. But I've been just chilling. I edited a few photos. And then I started to shoot some more detail shots because I have a serious issue, and I was just like, I was feeling like my feed had too many outfit pictures and not enough like fillers and detail shots, so I started taking a few of those, hoping that they came out cute. Who knows, honestly. I'm trying to go through this whole like rebrand thing, just get back to like who I am at the core. I was doing that for a while. I did clean up a little bit more, just like the kitchen counter area, but I still have clothes I need to put away and laundry, and then I just need to start the packing process, which I'm really upset. I went to Marshall's earlier and I got my Christmas shopping completely finished, but they didn't have any packing cubes, and that's what I really wanted for myself. And I saw some yesterday at Target, but they were like $45, and I was like, this is like ridiculous. I'm not paying that, so I don't know. But it's just so pretty outside right now in Charlotte, and I'm so happy, and I kind of want to go for a walk. So I'm hoping that when Paul gets back, he will go for a walk with me, and if not, I'll just go by myself, it's fine. But I am just taking a little bit more filler shots and everything like that, taking some of my apartment just so I have things to show my parents when I get home, because they obviously are not here and I want to show them like apartment updates. Obviously I've been productive, you guys, like don't get me wrong, I've been productive, but I just need to do still more cleaning, obviously. But in other news, I'm so excited. I get to see Moo tomorrow, and I'm just I'm so excited. I miss him so much. I'm gonna put my tree on right now because I'm not gonna be able to enjoy it much longer, but me and my tree. Okay, anyway. Green November. I hate putting clothes away. Oh, I hate it so much. All right, I'm gonna make a packing list now because I always forget something. So I'm gonna make a light packing list. So I need a laptop, notebooks for work, but I need both laptops because I think I cut that clip out of my other Vlogmas, but I've been having some serious issues with my MacBook, and that's why I've been editing everything on my desktop. And I got my desktop mainly because my MacBook was going down the drain, but I don't have a computer at home, and I can't edit anything on my work laptop, obviously, so I have to bring home 2 laptops, which is really annoying. I really don't want to do that, but I have no choice, so yeah. Toothbrush, razor, because I always forget my razor, makeup, hair stuff, technology, I'll just know that that's like iPad, chargers, things of that sort. Gifts. Wouldn't that be funny if I forgot the gifts? What is this lighting doing? Can somebody tell me? I don't understand. What else do I want to bring home? Birth control. We need that. Because I'd be like this if I didn't take my birth control. Masks, which how could I forget that? But you'd be surprised. You'd be very surprised. And then just clothes. And I'm gonna pack extremely light for this trip because I don't have to shoot, which is gonna be so nice. So I actually didn't even end up going for a walk. I don't even know the last time I spoke with you guys, but I edited 2 videos. I figured like I want to get these done and scheduled, so I scheduled one to go up tomorrow. I'm gonna schedule this little get ready with me to go up probably Monday. I went out and shot this morning some content so I didn't have to do anything while I was home next week, and I felt really good about the photos that I took, and I love them. And it just made me feel so good, and I'm like, wow, I'm getting this like satisfaction from taking a photo of myself. Like, it's just, I don't know. The whole world right now and the whole like state of Instagram and what I've been thinking about it is so mushy in my head because I love it and I love everything that it has to offer. Like, I love it as a resource and a place to like gain inspiration and ideas and things like that. But like, we literally are just like focused on ourselves and what we look like, and it's just, I don't know. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. I'm trying to get better with the Instagram world and just feeling different about it lately, and just trying to post more things for myself and what I like and what I like to post in and outfits that I like, and not focusing so much on the other person on the platform. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go get a pizza. I'd rather just get out of the house, honestly. Go walk around, get some movement in my body because I've been sitting for the past like hour and a half. So I'll talk to you guys in a little. I'm back. I literally was back so fast that the person that I parked next to that was unloading their groceries was still packing them in their car, and I was pulling out of my spot. That's how fast I went into Harris Teeter and back. I was like on a mission, you guys. It's done. Paul's here. He had a long day of golf.
Don't talk about it.
He doesn't want to talk about it. So it is a little while later, and I'm about to really start packing. I'm trying to get the tripod to be straight. Okay, I'm gonna really start packing now, and like I said earlier, I'm gonna be very strategic about my packing. So yeah. Powder, bronzer, and my bronzing like Benefit palette, my eyebrow pen, beauty blender, highlighter, boy brow, eyelash curler. Okay, that's packed. And my toothbrush. This is pretty for like the holidays, but it wouldn't go with like anything that well, the one outfit that I brought to wear. Honestly, I didn't really bring another. That's kind of cute. I'm gonna bring this. Okay. I, for the most part, have everything packed up that I need. I'm just putting away a few random things. I like thinking over everything, and honestly, whatever is, whatever. I don't care anymore. Like, I know I'm not bringing enough, like, nice clothes, but I don't expect to do literally anything while I'm there, so yeah. I actually threw a pair of sneakers in there that I'm gonna leave home. This bag is not coming back to Charlotte with me, so I just put my Christmas gifts in it, just like a bunch of like little random things, and then my other laptop that I'm bringing home to edit on that I most likely will just leave home. if I don't have room, I'm not gonna cry about leaving it at home. And then this is the backpack that I'm gonna bring. That just makes everything so much easier when I travel back with Moo, because he has his own carrier case and it just makes it easier to have something just on my back. So I'm gonna bring this. I'll probably throw my camera in there. But other than that, I think I'm good to go. I exported like all of my outros and intros onto my external battery, because last time I went home for Vlogmas, I forgot to do that. And I was so upset because I could not add like an outro or an intro, so that was super annoying. But I did that this time, so fingers crossed it goes well. I just need to pack my skincare, toothbrush, deodorant in the morning, and then just close up my luggage and I'll be good to go. So we're leaving pretty early tomorrow morning. So the only thing left that I have to do tonight is just kind of pick up around the house. That's like usually the last thing that I do before I leave on a long trip, so I can come back to just a clean, fresh home. Tomorrow morning I'll make the bed before we leave, and then I can just come back knowing that I don't have to do anything on the day that I get here except relax, which is really good and really nice. So I think I'm gonna end off the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I do day before a trip, just like a little day in my life. I cannot believe that Vlogmas is like almost over. This is crazy, but I'm glad you guys will be able to see a few vlogs while I'm home. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, I appreciate it if you like the video down below and subscribe if you are not, because I would love to have you stick around. And I think that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next Vlogmas. Bye guys.